Hi, welcome to another episode of e-bike insights from the Electric Bike Company. Today we want to talk about assembly and why we feel it's vital for us to assemble our own bikes. And the main reason is the quality of our hardware. So although we get our parts, different components from around the world, and our frames and all our wiring, we want to actually assemble our bikes ourselves. And it's critical because of the hardware. The hardware really being the nuts and the bolts to take our components and attach them to our frames. And the important part is to make sure that the specifications of that hardware are of the highest quality. And if somebody else is assembling your bike for you, those kind of things can actually fall by the wayside. So what we do, we only spec the highest stainless steel, high tensile steel hardware. And we also make sure that we use a thing called a torque wrench, which really, we have all different types, and it's really a tool that allows you to actually torque or tighten the hardware to the manufacturer specifications. Whereas other people might just use a wrench and just kind of feel how tight it is. And that, of course, can cause problems, because what you can do is you can over tighten it and then you can thread out the bolt or the nut, or you can under tighten it, and that can cause the hardware to rattle loose and cause problems over time. So assembly with the right tools, with the right specifications, with the right torque settings, and of course then you can inspect that and you can then test it and ensure that because we assemble it ourselves and we send it to you fully assembled, that you can know 100% that the bike has been assembled perfectly. Thanks very much for watching, and we'll see you next time.